How to change date or year in Google Earth. Simply open the application, and in here you can see I am currently in a location from which I'm going to pin a specific location. Just like this, I'm going to pin this location. And in here you can see a person-like icon right here. Tap on it and then we'll get the street view. So in order to get a proper street view, you'll have to tap on a specific street just like this. And then we'll get a proper street view just like this. You can see this is a street view of that particular location. And in order to change date and time, here you can get the option of see more dates. Tap on it. And here we can go back to the past. Here we have July 21, 2017, and we have up to 2012. If I simply tap on it, here I can see the street view of this location in the 2012. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.